Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinataob ng Mapua Cardinals ang EEC General 73-69. Best player of the game si Paulo Hernandez sa kanyang 11 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. Tinalo naman ng Arellano Chiefs ang Letran Knights 87-80. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Felix Villarente sa kanyang 15 points, 6 assists, 1 steal. Wagi naman ang Lyceum Pirates kontra sa San Beda 67-62. Humakot ng 11 points, 5 rebounds, 1 block si Renz Villegas para tanghalin best player of the game. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 10, 2023 nagaganapin sa PhilOL EcoOL Arena. Sa first game maglalaban ng GRU Heavy Bombers kontra sa San Sebastian Stags alas 2 ng hapon. At sa main game naman magtutos ang St. Benil Blazers kontra sa Perpetual Altas alas 4 ng hapon. Heto naman ang team standings ngayon as of October 8, 2023. 10th place Letran Knights 0 win 5 losses. 9th place Arellano Chiefs 1 win 4 losses. 8th place San Sebastian Stags 1 win 3 losses. 7th place Perpetual Altas 1 win 3 losses. 6th place St. Benil Blazers 2 wins 3 losses. 5th place EAC Generals 2 wins 2 losses. 4th place San Beda Red Lions 3 wins 2 losses. 3rd place Mapua Cardinals 4 wins 1 loss. 2nd place GRU Heavy Bombers 4 wins 1 loss. At nangungunang Lyceum Pirates 6 wins 0 loss. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.